Good morning everyone. My name is Chitra Goswami and this video is for the summary of lesson number 122 and the name of the lesson is Success Summits. The objective of this lesson is that students will reflect on their personal growth and development. For the first step, you are going to greet the students and engage them in a discussion about the concept of personal growth. You are going to ask the question like, what does personal growth mean to you? And you are going to introduce the objective of the lesson to the students. For the second step, you are going to write down important words on the board such as skill, challenges and achievements. You will explain each word and practice pronunciation together. You will write 3 sentences on the board. The first sentence is, can you talk about something you have gotten better at in English digital since you started learning at FEA? The second sentence is, what's one problem you face when speaking English with others? And the third one is, what's one thing you're proud of achieving at FEA? The third step is a pair and group discussion, and for this you're going to ask the students to write their answers in 10 minutes and have students share their answers verbally with their partners. Then have students form small groups and share their answers again in their groups, and finally you're going to call on volunteers to share their answers with the whole class. Now for the fourth step, you're going to share with the students that you want everyone to reflect on digital growth. As a pair, you want everyone to open Google Docs and create a table as given in the SRB. You're going to help students who are struggling and you're going to ensure that both the partners are getting a chance to practice. The second part of the lesson is typing lesson 13, posture revisited, and the objective of the lesson is that students develop keyboarding skills maintaining the right posture. So for the first step, you are going to call on 2 volunteers. You will ask one student to demonstrate terrible typing posture and you are going to encourage them to be dramatic. And then you are going to ask the class to describe what is wrong with their posture. Then you will ask the other student to demonstrate the correct typing posture and ask the class to describe what is correct about their posture and to make suggestions for improvement if needed. Now for the second step, students may continue to use Typing Master as normal. While others are typing, select 2 or 3 students to be judges to nominate a student who keeps the best typing posture during the activity. You're going to ask the judges to select a winner. Then have partners switch at the laptops and repeat with the new set of judges. For the third step, you're going to ask students to think back to their first typing lesson. Then ask them to raise their hand if they have improved at keeping their eyes on the screen while they type. You're going to call on 3 or 4 students to share their views. Lastly, you're going to acknowledge the students for what they did well during the session and you're going to conduct the pledge. Thank you so much.